get out of bed the same time. People talk about last night. Hey, I heard through the grapevines that guy just broke her heart. Are we just running backwards? Every page has got the same words. I'd rub my eyes again, but there's no point, just play along. It kinda seems like old news when yesterday's still ahead of you. And it feels like another blurred out party, another wasted youth. You wake up staring at the ceiling, and I swear it kinda feels like the same worn out t-shirt and every sucker from school. What's your name? I haven't seen yet, and I swear it kinda feels like deja vu. Can anybody see this? I can't be the only one. It's like that girl's always talking about the guy that she dates, while he's just going on about the things that he hates. Every morning, every night, every hour, all the time, I just get a bit weirded out, cause everything's just old news, and yesterday's still ahead of you. And it feels like another blurred out party, another wasted youth. You wake up staring at the ceiling, and I swear it kinda feels like the same worn out t-shirt and every sucker from school. What's your name? I haven't seen